I'm home today. I took a vacation day. It's 2 days after the world changed, 2 days after Election Day, and my new president is being briefed on all the secrets. So I hope he doesn't get scared away. But I'm outside working in the yard, and it occurred to me that I'm really, literally watching leaves fall, which is a really peaceful, kind of Zen experience to just take a moment from the cleaning to just watch a leaf come spinning to the ground. Japanese maple's looking really nice and red. I've bagged up all the plants, the big plants, and now I'm cleaning out the cabana, which is very full of leaves. I've cleaned out half of it. You can see the other half just really, really full of leaves, but it's a beautiful sunny day. November 6th, I think, 4th or 6th. And as you can see, it's up near 70 degrees, so I'm having just a delightful time. And next time there's a breeze, I'll show you some leaves falling, because they come spinning down, especially from that big oak. So I feel very lucky to be alive. Oh, here comes one. Here comes a breeze. I wish one would fall right. Oh, can you see up there? Oh, there's one. Oh, one just fell on my face, I swear to God. Really? Oh, it just fell. Here comes some more. So pretty. You can hear them. Can you hear them? Listen to the leaves fall. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous. Well, I'm really glad. Thank you, Mary, for letting me take this day off, because it's just beautiful. Oh, here comes some right on me. Here we go. Yay! Right at my feet. And I'm out here with the Otto and the Bonnie. Here's a big one. Wait. Oh! Yay! October. Oh no, it's November. I love October blue skies. We have a new fence. We got it to try to contain Otto because we love him and we don't want him to run away. So it's kind of pretty. Very expensive, but already worth it. Because my little puppies can play in their little backyard. So, oh, leaves are falling as we speak. Thank you, universe. Thank you.